Um, good, good afternoon, Sir Docalagos. I'm Jericho Fernandez. This is my presentation is about C++ and like a 7-Eleven store system. And I today I am going to present my C++ program, which I designed like 7-Eleven store. The purpose of this program to simulate how customer can choose product, add to cart, then to their cart, and even correct mistakes if they pick the wrong item. Okay, this is my code. Include iostream, and then like count item code is bottled water, soda, noodles, bread, chocolate, chips, coffee, ice cream. Okay, this is the program, and I will run it first. Okay. First, the program start by displaying products and their prices. These are items in available in the store. Okay. Number one, I choose the show items, and this the product like bottled water 20 pesos, soda 30 pesos, noodles 25 pesos, bread 15 pesos, chocolate 40 pesos, chips 35 pesos, coffee 50 pesos, and ice cream. This is the ID number. Uh, As you can see, the product or store is array with the corresponding prices. Array makes it easier to handle multiple items because we can access them using index number. Next program allows the customer to input of the item they want to buy. For example, if the customer enters number 3, like number 3, I try to click the number 3 is noodles, and then the program will add noodles to their cart and increase the total price by 25 pesos. The na- the the item of the noodles is 3. I choose the wait uh I'm try again. I'm sorry. Okay. I try the show items, and I choose the number 3, the noodles. Okay, okay. Again. Show items, then number 2, add to cart. Then I choose the number 3, noodles 25 pesos. And the quantity is 1. Okay. Then the increase to total price by 25 pesos. And then what makes this program more useful is that it has featured is the correct wrong items. If the user chooses the wrong product by mistake, the program will ask if they want to modify at last entry. If they yes, they then the program removes the wrong items and lets them pick a new one. This one program this more flexible. Just just like how a cashier in a real store or cancel or replace an item before finishing transaction. Uh, for example, the the noodles is the wrong item. I change the bread. Okay. I choose the number and number 3 modify cart. Okay, then then I click enter IT ID, modify. I enter the number 3, then enter a new quantity, uh, 0 to remove. Okay, then add to cart again and change the bread 1, then view cart, the only one bread. Okay, and then the program also use the loop. The customer can keep buying more items without starting the program. After each purchase, it asks if they want to continue. If the answer is yes, the product is displayed again. They can another item. If the answer is no, the program is stopped. Will show amount they need to pay. Okay, the if the bread is enough to customer, I try to check out. But the customer want to add cart the like coffee. The I put it. I I choose is the add to cart again and choose the copy. Number 7, the ID number. Okay, quantity is 1. And then number 4, view cart again. Okay, this the total of 65 pesos, and I click the checkout, then payment. If if the customer payment is 100, uh, so you have change 35 pesos, and that's done. Okay, this is my presentation, Sir Doc Alagos. Again, thank you. Uh, and the inclusion, my presentation, inclusion, my 7-Eleven star program helped me to practice to input and output in C++, how to handle user choices, and how to calculate totals. It also teach me the importance of giving the user option to correct mistakes because errors are very common when we enter data. Thank you.